Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to record a video on Nintendo Switch. So all official steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started.
Load up a Switch game and play it. When something happens you want to preserve, press and hold the capture button. A spinning saving icon will appear on the screen. When the capture is complete, a message will appear on the screen. Please note, the Switch can only capture 30 seconds of gameplay using the built-in screen recorder. If you want a more extended recording, try taking several clips, transferring them to your computer, and splicing them together with video editing software. Nintendo may allow longer clips in the future. Now we will talk about how to view, edit, and share Nintendo Switch video clips. From the Switch home screen, select Album. Select a video clip with the D-pad and press A to open it. While the video is playing, press A to access the options menu. Select from the following options. Post sends the video to social media. Requires linking an X, formerly Twitter or Facebook account. Send to smartphone sends the video to your phone for easy sharing or transfer to a computer and uses a QR code for easy connectivity. Trim edit the video for length if you only want to share part of it. Use the D-pad to select start and end points, then save the trimmed video. Copy makes a copy of the video so you can edit it without destroying the original. Delete removes the video if you don't want it anymore.
Dear friends, by using this method you can easily record your Nintendo screen. So if you're facing any issue you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.